In this video, I'll show you how to get more credits in Suno AI in 2026. Start by signing in to your Suno AI account. Once you're logged in, look for your account icon or profile picture, usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click it and open the account or billing section to view your current credit balance and subscription details. Next, check whether you're using a free plan or a paid plan. Free accounts typically receive a limited number of credits, while paid subscriptions include additional monthly credits and access to more advanced features. If you need more credits, open the billing or subscription page. Here you'll see the plans currently offered by Suno. Review the available options and compare the monthly credit amounts included with each plan. After that, select the plan that best fits your music creation needs. Click Upgrade or Subscribe and follow the payment process. Enter your billing information, confirm the purchase, and complete the subscription. Once the payment is processed, your account will receive the credits associated with your selected plan. Now, if your subscription includes recurring monthly credits, those credits will typically refresh at the start of each billing cycle. You can monitor your available balance from the account dashboard at any time. Next, keep an eye on official Suno announcements and promotions. From time to time, Suno may introduce special offers, plan updates, or additional credit opportunities. Checking the official announcements section can help you stay informed about any new options. After that, avoid creating unnecessary generations. Writing clear prompts and making small adjustments instead of repeatedly generating new songs can help you use your credits more efficiently and make them last longer. Now return to the main creation page and verify that your updated credit balance appears in your account. If you recently upgraded and the credits don't appear immediately, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in. Finally, if you encounter any billing or credit issues, visit Suno's Help Center or contact their support team through the official support options available in your account settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get more credits in Suno AI in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.